Well, it's a bit bright today, guys. Lovely jubbly. Right, single seed potato challenge in 2023. I am so far behind. I'm looking at other people's videos and I am so far behind. So anyway, the little sprut that fell off, I'm going to put that on. Now, looking at these, okay, that's going to go straight into a pot. So we'll put that to one side for a second. But these have got numerous shoots. 2 on that one. And 3, possibly 4 on that one. Now, oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Nothing on that one. I'll have a look in a minute. Now the thing is, do I play it safe and pot these up as they are? Or do I go whole hog and then let's go for a decent yield of spuds? Well, no competition really, is there? Hey, excuse the pun. I'm going to cut them up. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, try something different next year. Right then, get some compost. I'll be back in a second. Right, there's no real need to label these because I'm not growing any other potatoes in pots. So, a little bit in the bottom for that one. Plus a chilli leaf. And I reckon... yeah, look at that. That was a little sprut. Look at the roots on that. Brilliant. So that's going to go in. I'm going to nearly cover all the leaves on that one. Just a little bit showing out the top. Ooh. So I went to bed a bit early. I forgot to put all the stuff back in the greenhouse. So all these were out overnight. And it was 0.5 degrees, nearly a frost. So bit of a panic on, you know what I mean? Anyway, here we are, there's the first one. So let's get that in a water bath. I'll water that properly in a minute. Right, so that's that one. This one can go straight in. No need to cut this one, obviously. Ooh, a bit wet. Still got a nice root system though, so let's get that potted up. I'm looking in the pots because sometimes I don't wash them till I need them, but I don't often wash outdoor. Sorry, do I stop talking? So that's going in quite deep with its root. Get in there. There we are. There's 2. Now these ones are for cutting, so we don't need that. Let's have a look at this one first. I'm thinking there's nothing in there. No. Leave that one over there. Yeah, if it grows, it grows. Right, let's get that mixed up. Let's start with an easy one, I suppose. It's a little bit too wet, really. I watered these not long ago. Right, let's do it. Let's do it. What was it? Faint heart wins no whatever. Well, we got 2 bits of tuber and we got 2 lots of roots, so fingers crossed on that one. Let's get the non-tuber in first. I'm going to put that near the edge because it's a bit floppy. I don't want it to break. There we are. Fairly deep down. So we want the stems to start making a few roots, don't we? Right, and more cutting. Let's do the complicated one last. good roots again. Oh, I'll tell you what, there's another couple on the bottom there. Oh, look at that. Might get one out of there as it grows. Now, which side is that attached to? Oh, well, let's try it. That's a better example. Look, we got two in there. Look, brilliant. And it's on that one, so that might be worth taking a cutting or a proper cutting. So at the moment, I'm just dividing. I'm not cutting. Funny thing is, we go to all the trouble to heal the wound when we slice the potato, but I'm not bothering now, look, you know. So it's one of those ones. Do you bother? Do you not? Cool. And now we got a threer. Let's see how we go with this then. Right, here we go then. There's two. And what I'll do, I'll take that as a cutting, that little one there. So let's put that to one side a minute, let's get pot ready. Yeah, that can go quite deep, that one. This one, small pot I reckon. Right. And that's just a cut-in, so take that off there. Bit of rooting hormone. Oh. There we are. A little bit deeper. Right, I'll get that one in pretty quick. And the last of the tubers. Sliced up bits of tuber anyway. It's pretty good actually, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count in a minute, lost count. Yeah, I thought there was 8 in big pots. There they are. The black pot at the front, second left, that is the chit that fell off. That's growing very well. So we've got 8 big ones, and the little tiny little pot at the front, that is the cutting I've just taken. Doing all right, doing all right. And here's Robert, going to give us a quick update on his, and things aren't looking too rosy this week. I'll catch you again soon, guys. Take care.
Hi, Steve. Just a quick update on my sweet potato challenge. I think by putting them in the propagator, they romped off too much. I've had wind damage on 2, which I've cut the tops off and replanted, and I've done the next 2 exactly the same. Right, Steve, these are my 4 potato plants from the chits. They've had the tops cut off, as you can see, and I'll now take you back to the cuttings I've taken. I'm just going to have to see how they go, see if I have any luck. And I hope I haven't damaged the main plants. Thanks a lot, Steve. Bye.